Hey everyone, welcome back to Zabos Customs. Today we're diving into a major trend in automotive world for 2024 and of course through 25, the rise of hybrid vehicles. So let's get started. Now I just wanted to explain the difference between the two types of hybrid vehicles because it comes into the charging. You know, hybrid vehicle, which is an HEV, it uses your gas engine plus an electric motor. And I've been talking about performance cars. Everything under the sun is now going to be some kind of combined gas engine and electric motor. And then how many electric motors they put on the vehicle will, increase the performance. So when we talk about tri-motor, dual motor, front, rear, all that stuff has to do with performance and how the vehicle can get such large horsepower. Now the charging, the battery is charged through regenerative braking and internal combustion engine. Now they're doing that on full EV and hybrids, and sometimes it's pretty annoying because you can feel heavy braking that is charging that battery. So you people that ride the brake all the time, well, you're going to help charge your battery a lot. Maybe a benefit of the person who can't get their foot off the brake. The second type of hybrid is a plug-in hybrid, and they typically cost more. They get longer range, and that's because they're called a PHEV. And they still use the gas engine and the electric motor, but I think what it is, they've got a bigger battery, and they can run a certain amount of miles on the battery first before the engine actually even has to turn on. Now, if you floor it or something like that, the engine's going to kick on. So when you're out in the grocery parking lot and you hear that hum, it may not be a full EV. It can be a hybrid. So the way those work is you're actually going to have to plug that car in. So there is a little more work involved in owning a plug-in hybrid. The battery can be charged externally via a plug-in charger as well as through regenerative braking and the engine. Now, something to understand about maintenance or insurance. Full EVs, especially like a Tesla, for example, the insurance is like through the roof because these vehicles typically won't be repaired. So when something goes wrong, the insurance company totals them. And that's why your insurance rate is so high. Hybrids, they'll cover those. Little basics about a hybrid vehicle that a lot of people probably don't know because they've been making the hybrids for a while. You know how your vehicle, well, even in your gas vehicles, where they stop when you hit a stop sign or a red light and the engine turns off, you let off the gas pedal, starts up, takes off. One thing people don't realize is these vehicles have your full battery for the hybrids, but they also have another battery, just like your regular car battery, that runs the starter. And in your gasoline versions, it's the same thing. You probably got two batteries, and sometimes these batteries are hidden. So just FYI, if your car has a dead battery and you have that stop on-off feature or you have a hybrid, just remember you got two different batteries. And the cost on the batteries, it's just ridiculous. So there are, downsides to all these hybrids and things, but basically, hybrid batteries, look for your warranty when you buy one. See what the manufacturer covers, how many years, and that way you're prepared. And you can rotate out of these things as the technology changes and improves. I guarantee you, the biggest trend right now is batteries. And they've been working on batteries for years and years and years. And who's going to come up with a formula for a battery that's going to allow you to get that 300-400 mile range and the thing's not going to blow up or it's not going to overheat, it's going to work in cold weather, and it's going to be cheap to replace? Well, I don't know. I mean, whoever can come up with that, they're the winner. So if you come up with the battery and you've got that technology, then you can make any kind of electric vehicle you want and it'll sell because affordability of the battery, longevity of the battery, and how quick it can charge before the damn thing blows up, that's what it's all about. Well, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.